I made a video. I don't remember if I made another video, but I'm going to just basically I'm making a wooden sign for my store, and it's over there. And I'm not showing you me using a router for 5 hours because so far I think I've got about 3 hours of. That's all it is me going around. And I'm the CNC machine. That's my router. See, I'm the CNC. So anyway, I've been routing it out because I don't have a CNC. I don't need one. I don't know a lot of woodwork. It's in my little cubby hole over there. That's probably one little match. The whole thing will go up because I gotta vacuum it. No, I don't have a dust collecting system because I don't really do a lot of woodwork. I basically got a shop vac, suck all the dust up, and should be good enough. But I'll in this video, I'm gonna take a little video, show you what I did, and explain. So this is pretty much my intro. I'll add that in with a photo of what I got. And when I'm done, I'll show you what I'm doing. I'll probably show you like I said, there's no point in showing it. It's pretty boring. But I'll take a little snapshot and show you what I routed out, tell you what I'm doing, and then I'll show you when I'm going to paint it and I'm finished. And I'll attempt to, actually I'll show you, hold on. Stay tuned, I will show you the real piece of it. So anyway, folks, what I'm doing here is I'm basically taking this cheap router. I have it jerry-rigged with one little thing holding this, and I'm routing out the middle here. It's only about maybe, I don't know, 18-inch thick. Cleaning it out, it's not perfect. I didn't want it to look perfect. I wanted it to look homemade. So I did I little hand sketched it. Did a little screw up over here. I'm going to try to get, this is a 1-inch thing here. I'm going to try to get that as straight as possible. I'm cleaning out the middle part here. All these little middle spots. And just trying to get the hours all set around it. So just the way I don't chip in here. Yep, it's hand done. This is like old school. What I'm going to do after is I'm going to make sure this is all nice and clean. Take a chisel, whatever, sand it in some spots. Maybe go over the router. I'm going to then sand the top down to get this horrible finish off here because I don't like this color. And I'm going to pick a color for in here and pick a color for out here. And then I'm probably going to clear coat it or shellac it or varnish it or whatever you call it. Or the other option I have is to pour some sort of liquid in here that'll kind of encompass it all. Maybe just coat it on. Maybe some type of, not epoxy, I'm not doing a clear epoxy, but some kind of thick, like, liquid paste, kind of like rubber, I don't know, whatever, to give it a contrast. But I'm thinking maybe a white background, a black thing, standard, white and black, so you can see it nice and boom. Black, because I'm right here. I left a 1-inch band on here, so I got a 1-inch edge all the way around. All this little thing here, all this right here, it's all getting taken right out. So this way I have a 1-inch band. So if I put all this in black and all the others in black, I figure I can get I have a brayer, a little roller to go across, or even a freaking roller, I don't care. So I'm like, should I paint the top? What I might do is I might leave this thing on here, paint it white, and then sand it all off and try to paint it black later. I don't know. I'm not really sure how I'm going to go about painting it, but this is what I'm doing. As you can see, this is my router station. There's a pile of junk here, and I got to clean up the floor here because it's got a whole pile of wood. But yeah, ammo can full of clay. It's an old Bosch router. It's a pretty damn good router. Speaking of routers, I can't use my other router because my father's old router, once you put a bit in it, it literally does not come out. I don't know what's wrong with it. I've oiled it, I've lubed it, I've stuck other things in there, looked inside. I'm pretty good. Like, for some reason, it's like the Roach Motel. The bit goes in, doesn't come out. So, and I also have my wood drill here, if you've never seen it. That's my 1900 something Langelier drill press. See, there's the foot pedal right there. You push it down, and that goes down. The reason why I have that is because my other drill press is covered in oil. So, anyway, this is my project. A little long-winded, but I gotta clean my workbench here. It's a disaster back here. I'm planning on putting shelving on that wall so I can get all this shit off the thing. Like I said, it's my tiny little work area for wood. So, enjoy. So anyway, back to what I was saying. That little section should give you an idea what I'm doing with the sign. I will take a video of the sign when I'm done, show it on my building. I also been meaning to finish the video of my other thing I got. It's a pain in my ass because I had a charcoal thing I was making, and I brought it to my store. Figured I'd paint it, and realized I gotta use a foil on it. But that's another topic I gotta remember. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell me all about your life on comments. And all you haters, go to someone else's YouTube. Thanks for watching.